Now, each and every week on Tuesday, many of you already know that we get the insurance registrations showing us the total deliveries or at least an estimate of deliveries that favorite EV stocks like NEO delivered for the previous week. And ladies and gents, without wasting any more of your time, for the period as seen on the screen ending the 4th of May, NEO sold 5,100. This includes 1,280 from Onvo and 350 for Firefly. Now, yesterday, many of you might be wondering what happened. You will know that my 9 to 5, I'm a civil engineer, so I was swamped. It was so hectic for me yesterday, which is why I could not do any video. But today I'm back. I'll be giving you the videos. And yeah, I saw some of you guys were already texting to say what's happening, where the videos, where were the videos yesterday. But not to worry, I'm here and I'm coming back with a banger, and that is NEO Head total insurance registrations of around 5,100. Now, something that, or the reason why this figure is very good for NEO is because obviously from the 1st to the 4th in China it was Labor Day. From last week on Thursday to Sunday, they were celebrating Labor Day, so it was the holiday. It was not business as normal or business as usual, of which seeing this 5,100 from NEO, it is a very good figure. I mean, as seen on the screen, you notice that Tesla had 7,290, BYD had 59,310. We've got Xpeng had 5,550, and Li Auto had 11,400. So Li Auto is the only company that did so well in terms of the insurance registration. Even Xpeng, seeing Xpeng coming to 5,550, it tells you or speaks volumes about, of course, the holidays that we are talking about right now. And NEO, over and above that, seeing them coming with this, of course, figure 5,100 for all of their models. This is a very good figure, ladies and gents. I am very happy. I like what I'm seeing. This, I think a lot of the investors will really like, especially like a sub brand like Firefly. NEO started with the deliveries of Firefly last week, Tuesday, right? And seeing that they got around 350 deliveries of Firefly, it is just so great, because if you remember on Thursday when NEO reported their deliveries for April on the 1st, right? The numbers that we got showed us that for Firefly, NEO sold 214. For the last 2 days of April, which is the 29th and the 30th, NEO had sold 214 cars. To see that it's 300 or over 300 for the rest of the week, and with taking cognizance of the holidays, this just simply means that obviously things are going well for NEO, and it simply means that NEO this month, there is a possibility that Firefly does so well for NEO this week. Let's wait, let's see how things transpire. And I said I will still stand with the fact that this month we are going to see an all-time high in terms of the deliveries, because already we are seeing this kind of insurance registrations end of the month, beginning of the month. This kind of deliveries, I think it's a good signal, especially knowing that there were holidays, right? People were resting, people were not really that busy going out to check cars, which is something that I think that in mind tells us, or should tell us, that we need to expect great things to come from NEO. Blue sky is coming. So yeah, man, quick one. I just wanted to give you these figures. Tell me what you think. You will know that NEO is still expecting to double sales this year. NEO is still expecting to get to profitability this year. And are they going to get it? Time will tell. Only time will tell. But I believe that is possible. I believe that NEO can get to double sales this year. I believe that NEO can get to reach profitability in Q4 this year, because of the cars they are selling, because of because of the potential of both Firefly and Onvo. I think you and me can agree that blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. So I am very much happy, man. Tell me what you think. Next week insurance registrations that will come, I'm quite certain that it's either they come around the same figure or more than this, because this month we're expecting some pretty good decent figures, an all-time high in terms of figures. And this is because NEO ended, I think, the month of April with still a lot of orders that they need to deliver. NEO launched an incentive or more incentives last month in April, which are the ones that resulted in NEO getting a lot of the locked orders, or seeing NEO or resulting into NEO getting a lot of inflows in terms of orders, which is something that is great, something that is very, very exciting. So I am happy, man, and I know that of course the short sellers will not see this as a positive, but to us, the new investors, knowing that it was a holiday last week, I think this is a very good figure. It's a pretty good, decent figure. Things should get better for NEO from here going onwards, which is something that is great. And my dear friends, we are looking forward to that. So yeah, tell me what you think about this. I think everyone will love this, right? And yeah, man, I am very happy, and I'll be bringing you more videos for the rest of the day, as per the usual. Like I said yesterday, I was a bit swamped. I could not even do anything. My 9 to 5 was so demanding yesterday in a way that I could not even do anything. By the time I finished my 9 to 5, it was already late at night, which is why I did not have the opportunity to even look or sit at doing a video. But not to worry, I'm back. I will try my best to give you daily content as per the usual. Don't worry. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this one, like this video, subscribe if you have not done so, because I give you latest content about NEO on a daily basis, which is why some of you, of course, were already surprised as to why was there no content about NEO yesterday from today. So yeah, like, share to the people that are still wanting to know some good news, or some of the good news that we share about NEO on this channel. These news are important because they give us a signal, or they tell us plus minus if NEO is headed for a new monthly record. We knew from the insurance registrations, or based off NEO's insurance registration before the end of the month, that NEO was going to report somewhere between 20 and 30,000 deliveries because of the insurance registration. So insurance registrations, though they don't give us the exact numbers, but they give us a guidance of what to expect coming from EV makers like NEO. So I'll see you on the next one, man. That's all from me, and God bless you all.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe